My baby is making me hot tea. My baby Olivia.
Is it starting?
That's my youngest one. That's Olivia. She is making mommy some
Is it starting?
hot tea. That's my bunso, guys, making me hot tea. Mabait na bata. She's such a good girl.
I'm taking your spoon.
She is such a good girl. Thank you, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
Come here.
Hi.
Just say hi.
I think I like to go.
Okay, okay. Pag-anghang. Guys, kumakain ako dito ng Jollibee chicken. Ang sarap. Ayan guys, oh. Ini-enjoy ko talaga ito. Kasi ang Jollibee place is napakalayo dito sa Scranton, Pennsylvania. 2 hours away, one drive. Kaya